Welcome to Crimp-Tech Hydraulics. Thank you for considering our franchise and business. Our team and its various members currently bring over 75 plus years of collective hydraulic industry experience. We maintain a scalable platform from which to build and operate with the keen sense of the critical functions and supporting requirements necessary to own and operate a successful mobile hose and fitting van-based business. Given our proven operational experience and related industry knowledge, we welcome consideration of a business partnership via franchising or leasing. Today, Crimp-Tech Hydraulics corporately operates a growing fleet of mobile trucks in the southwest area of Florida. In addition, we operate a full-service hydraulic repair shop, which further serves as our current administrative support offices. We are growing and on the move. Our journey together begins with, of course, much planning, analysis, sharing of mutual information, etc. Things like territory, operational insights, capital, training issues, and on. The good news, it's simple and opportunistic given our business model. Like everything good in life, it requires hard work. Some of the key functions to operate this business include dispatch, billing, collecting, administration and bookkeeping, operations, logistics, inventory, technical support, training and safety, services, operating platforms, and miscellaneous. The following gives a sample of some of the activities of a hydraulic business, including shop crimping and other repairs, along with on-site mobile repair.
So we see that it's British, and we see that this one is a 90, and we see that this one is a straight. So we'll go to our British drawer, and we'll find our 0404 British, because we know that it's 1/4 inch hose, and we know that the connection is 1/4 inch. So we'll grab out our straight, and grab out a 90. We have a roll of 1/4 inch here. This 1/4 inch hose is 2-wire. And it is 5,800 PSI, so at least match or exceed the expectations of the OEM hose.